Okay, so a short review regarding in addition of fraction. So meron tayong similar and dissimilar fraction. So first is yung similar fraction. So first we need to, okay, so meron tayong ditong given. So first we need to add the whole numbers. So 24 plus 9. So 24 plus 9 is equals to 33. So 33. And then add next the numerator. So the numerator is 13 plus 5. So 13 plus 5 is equals to 18. And then copy the denominator. So yan. So the last step is to simplify the answer if needed or if possible siyang ma-reduce sa ating lowest term. So ilalagay lang natin is or. So 33. And then 18 and 24. So mag-iisip lang tayo ng number na pwedeng ma-divide both numerator and denominator, or kuhain lang natin yung GCF ni 18 tsaka ni 24, and then kung ano yung GCF i-divide lang natin. So if the GCF of 18 and 24 is number 6, so i-divide natin sa 18 kay number 6. So 18 divide 6, we have here 3. And then 24 divide 6, we have here 4. So therefore, our fraction is 3 over 4, or 3/4. So we have here 33 and 3/4. Okay. Okay, so next one is the dissimilar fraction. So in dissimilar fraction, kung mapapansin nyo, dissimilar ang ating denominator. So we need to change it into similar fraction by getting their LCD. So kukuhain natin yung LCD. So if we have here 15 and 3, so using the skip counting or Venn diagram, pwede natin makuha to si LCD. Okay, so we have here 15. And then we have here 3. So, paabutin lang natin na dapat magkapareho sila. So, 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. So, yon. So, next, therefore, our LCD is 15. So, ilagay lang natin dito, 15, since yun na yung ating bagong denominator. So may bago na tayong denominator, which is 15. So next is we will now multiply the numerator. So itong ating mga numerator, i-multiply natin sa mga factor na nakuha natin. So 11 times 1, we have here 11. So 1 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 times 5, we have here 5. And then copy the whole number. Okay, so next step is add the whole numbers. So 6 plus 18. So 6 plus 18, we have here 24. Then 11 plus 5, we have here 16. And then copy the denominator, 15. So the last step is reduce the answer into simplest form. So 24, 16 over 15. So i-simplify lang natin by dividing it. So 15 divides 16, we have 1. So plus okay, 16, 15. So 1. So 15 times 1, we have 15. And then we have here 1. So 24 plus 1, we have here 25. Then 1 is our numerator, and then 15 is our denominator. So our final answer is 25, 1, and 15. So yan, similar fraction. Okay, so subtracting similar fraction. So meron ako ditong given. So similar fraction muna tayo. So if we have here 14 4/16 minus or subtract by 5/16. So kung mapapansin nyo, yung ating fraction dito, which is numerator natin is mababa kay number 5, so we need to borrow. So magbaborrow tayo kay whole number, kay 14. So 14 will become 13. And then yung 1 is magiging fraction, which is yung gagamitin natin is yung given na denominator. So 13 and plus 16 dito. So 4 plus 16, we have here 20. And then copy denominator 16. So subtract. So 5 and 16. So copy lang natin yan. So yun. This is 5. Okay, so next, isusubtract na natin yung ating fraction. So 13 minus 0, since wala naman ditong whole number, is equals to 13. So 20 minus 5, we have here 15. And then copy the denominator, which is 16. So 15 and 16 cannot reduce to lowest term. So therefore, our final answer is 13/15/16. So yan. Yon. So subtraction or subtracting similar fraction. Okay, so subtracting the similar fraction. So in subtracting the similar fraction, so the same lang din with when adding the similar fraction. So first we need to change the similar fraction into similar fraction by getting their LCD. So if we have here 12 and 24, so using the Venn diagram, so 12 and we have here 24. Okay, so our LCD is 24. So nakita na natin yung ating LCD. So the LCD or yung answer sa LCD, that will be our new denominator. So 24 minus 24. So then copy the whole number. So 15 and we have here 1. So multiply natin naman yung ating numerator sa mga factor na nakuha natin when getting the LCD. So 2. So 2 times 1, 2. So 2 times 2, we have here 4. And then 8 times 1, we have here 8. Okay, so next, pwede na natin silang masubtract. But kung mapapansin nyo, ang ating numerator dito is mababa. So therefore, cannot be. So we need to borrow kay number 15. So cancel. 15 will become 14. And then 4 plus 24. So yon. So bring down 14. So 4 plus 24, we have here 28. Copy denominator 24. Then copy the even. Next. So subtract the fraction. So first subtract the whole number. So 14 minus 1, we have here 13. 28 minus 8, we have here 20. Oops, that is 20. So 20. Sorry. Okay. So over 24. And reduce 8 into lowest term. So i-reduce natin siya sa lowest term. So cancel. So by 4, because the GCF of 20 and 24 is number 4. Okay, so 20 divide 4, we have here 5. And 24 divide 4 is equals to 6. Okay, so tama. So 13 5/6. So yon, subtracting the similar fraction. Okay, so multiplication of fraction. So in this case, so ito muna yung ipapresent ko. So this is important regarding in multiplication of fraction. So kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayo ditong whole number and fraction. So to multiply, or paano i-multiply to. So, automatic, kapag meron tayong na-encounter na whole number, magkakaroon kagad tayo dito ng denominator 1. So, automatic yung ating denominator is 1. Then, multiply 9/36. So, ganyan yung magiging itsura niya. So, next, apply the cancellation method. So, i-apply natin si cancellation method. So, 12 and 36. So, pwede natin siyang ma-divide into number 12. So, 12 divide 12, we have here 1. 36 divide 12, we have here 3. So, 1 times 9 is equals to 9. And 1 times 3 is equals to 3. Then, reduce the answer into lowest term. So, 9 divide 3, we have here 3. So, therefore, our final answer is 3. So, ulitin ko. Yung tatandaan lang, kapag whole number, automatic denominator is 1. So, yun yung concept dito. Okay, so may bibigay pa ako na another example. Okay, so another example. So, in this case, we have here a mixed fraction or mixed number. So, this step in here or kung ano yung process dito. So, first, we need to change the mixed fraction or mixed number into improper fraction. So, by multiplying and then add. So, to change it, so 15 times 5, so ito yon denominator, plus 2 over the denominator 5. So, yon i-change natin siya and then times 3 over 7. So, yan. So, 15 times 5, we have here 15 times 5 plus 2. So, 15 times 5 plus 2 is equals to 77. And then, copy the denominator 5. And then, multiply 3 over 7. Okay. So, next is we need to use the cancellation method. So, 77 and 7. So, we have here 11. And then we have here 1. So, 11 times 3. So, 11 times 3, we have 33. Then, 5 times 1, we have 5. So, reduce to lowest term. So, kapag dinivide natin to, saan ko pa siya ilalagay? Ito. So, 33 divided by 5. So, we have 6. Then 5 times 6 is equals to 30. So 33 minus 30 is equals to 3. So therefore, our final answer is 6 and 3/5. So yun. So multiplication of fraction. So another. So i-change nyo lang yung mixed number into improper kapag yun yung na-encounter nyo. Okay, so division of fraction. So in division of fraction, ang mga dapat tandaan lang dito is change the mixed fraction into improper fraction if may encounter nyo yung mixed fraction. And then, pag whole number din, automatic the denominator is 1. So, okay. So, in this case, meron tayong mixed fraction. So, 10 times 8 plus 1 over 8. Divide by 2 times 2 plus 1 over 2. Then, pag nakuha na natin yung answer, so 10 times 8, we have here 80 plus 1 is equals to 81 over 8 multiply by 2 times 2 is equals to 4 plus 1 is equals to 5 over 2. So next step is the reciprocal of the divisor. So i-reciprocal lang natin itong 5 over 2 or yung second fraction. So 81 over 8 times the reciprocal, which is 2 over 5. So multiply. So 8 using cancellation method. So 8 and 2. So cancel. So 2 divide 2, we have here 1, and 8 divide 2, we have here 4. So 81 times 1, we have here 81 over 4 times 5, we have here 20. Or, so reduce it into lowest term. So by dividing the numerator and denominator. So 81 and 20. So 81 divide 20, we have here 4. So 20 times 4, we have here 80. So subtract. So 81 minus 80, we have here 1. So therefore, our final answer is 4, 1 over 20. So tatandaan lang yung nire-reciprocal natin is yung divisor. Then change the mixed fraction into improper, and if whole number yung may encounter nyo, automatic the denominator is 1. So yun lang.